So this video is for Introduction to Visual Basic Programming Challenge 8-12, phone number lookup, design your own forms, phone number lookup. Create an application that has two parallel arrays, a string array named str people that is initialized with the names of 7 of your friends, and a string array named str phone numbers that is initialized with the names of your friends' phone numbers. The program should allow the user to enter the person's name. If it should then search for the person in the string or a people array. If the person is found, it should get that person's phone number from the string array and display it. If the person is not found, the string array should display the message that indicates this. All right, so let's see what I did. So this is my form, phone number lookup. And this is a list box here with the names. This is the phone numbers. And this is a button here for lookup phone numbers. This clears the list box. That clears this list box here. And that closes the form. So let's run it really quick before we go into it. So this grabs the number of the names in the array. So here we go. We'll look up the phone number. Item found. Okay. And then it takes the name and puts the phone number in with the name. So, for example, if you wanted to look up, let's see. Item found, Jack Pally, phone number. Okay. So that clears it and that closes it. So that's how that works. So that's only one form that we needed for that. So we put a bunch of stuff in our globals. So let's take a look at that. We got our two global variables here, the string, our array of people that puts in the first list box here. This is our array of people. And then our second array are the phone numbers that's entered in here. And then this one, I was going to use this for something else, but I realized I didn't need it. So it's not used. So anyway, there's that. Go back to here. And we'll look at the form load event where the first thing we do is we clear the names list box in case there's anything else in there. And then we load the names into the list box from the str people array here. You got to do a for each loop on that one too to get each name. And add the name. The name's already a string, but I just put it to string here. There's the original way I did that was down here. But I was running into problems with it only putting in 4 names. So I changed to a for each. Now all the names come in that. So, and then you LST items, add, and people. So that's for the form load event. And then the bottom button on the left, that's the lookup button. You got a string find. And this is similar to what was done in what I call the supplemental video for chapter 8. The empty string, index of item, LST phone numbers, items, clear the phone numbers. String find is the input box under name you want to find. And then if the selected index is less than 0, then you get a message box. So that's if nothing's selected. Else, it's your for counter equals 0 to your people length. And you got your find string here. This find string equals the people counter. Then found item and the person. And then LST items, phone numbers, you add the found name and you put a space and the person's phone number. And then you index your counter. and then you exit your for loop. So you should never get below this thing ever. So that's, and if you exit, that's it. It doesn't do anything. So that's the main guts of the whole program right there. Some nested ifs, a for loop with another if statement in there. So this wasn't used, and this wasn't used, and this wasn't used either. This is just the close button, and this is clears the contents of the list box for the telephone numbers, LST name numbers, the items that clear. So if we run that one more time, so we got all the names here. All right, cool. Puts the phone number there. Cool, puts the phone number there. So that's how that works. It clears it, and closes it. So anyway, that's Programming Challenge 8-12 for Introduction to Visual Basic by Anthony Gaddis and Kip Irvine for Shasta College Fall 2012. Thanks for watching. All right, bye.